Does your morning feel like a race against the clock? Are you constantly skipping breakfast, grabbing whatever's closest, or just running out the door with coffee in hand? If you're nodding along, you're not alone. So many of us are caught in the whirlwind of busy schedules, endless to-do lists, and the pressure to stay healthy, all at once. If you're a busy professional, or just someone with a packed calendar trying to lose weight, this video is tailor-made for you. You don't have to sacrifice your health or your taste buds just because you're short on time. Today on SlimSync, I'm revealing 10 weight loss meals you can whip up in under 10 minutes. That's right, no endless meal prep, no bland, repetitive food, and absolutely no complicated recipes. These are meals designed for real life, with real flavor and real results. Forget those sad, soggy salads and flavorless chicken breasts that make healthy eating feel like a punishment. You deserve better than that. We're talking about real food, meals that are vibrant, satisfying, and bursting with flavor. Meals that you'll actually look forward to eating, and that will keep you energized and on track with your goals. This is about efficiency and excellence, maximum nutrition, minimum time. You'll see how easy it is to fuel your body with the nutrients it needs, even on your busiest days. No more excuses, just smart, simple solutions. I'm here to give you the tools, tips, and confidence to whip up delicious meals that fit your SlimSync journey. Whether you're cooking for one or feeding a family, you'll find something here that works for you. So, are you ready to transform your kitchen into your secret weapon for weight loss? Let's get in the kitchen, roll up our sleeves, and discover just how easy and delicious healthy eating can be. Let's go. First up, let's make chili lime chickpea smash cups, your new go-to for beating that midday slump. Whether you're working from home, hustling at the office, or just need a quick, energizing lunch, this recipe is a total game changer. It's plant-based, protein-packed, and comes together in minutes, so you can fuel up and get back to your day feeling refreshed and satisfied. Start by grabbing a can of chickpeas. These little legumes are loaded with fiber and protein, making them perfect for a filling lunch. Rinse and drain them well, then pour them into a bowl. Use a fork or potato masher to smash the chickpeas, but don't go for a puree. You want to keep some texture for that satisfying bite. Now it's time to bring in the flavor. Squeeze in the juice of a fresh lime for a bright, tangy kick. Sprinkle over chili powder for heat, smoked paprika for a subtle smokiness, cumin for warmth, and a pinch each of sea salt and black pepper. Finish with a drizzle of good olive oil to bring everything together and add a touch of richness. Mix everything together until the chickpeas are evenly coated with the spices and lime juice. The colors should be vibrant, and the aroma will be zesty and inviting. This step only takes a minute or two, but it's where all the magic happens. Each bite will be bursting with flavor. Next, grab some crisp lettuce leaves. Bib or romaine work best for their sturdy shape and fresh crunch. Spoon generous portions of the chickpea mixture into each leaf, creating little edible cups that are perfect for grabbing and eating on the go. Forget the bread or wraps. These lettuce cups keep things light, gluten-free, and extra refreshing. Each bite is all about that pure, fresh crunch paired with the bold, zesty filling. For a finishing touch, sprinkle over some chopped cilantro or parsley if you have it on hand. The fresh herbs add a pop of color and an extra layer of flavor that takes these cups to the next level. What you get is a lunch that's high in fiber, packed with plant-based protein, and absolutely bursting with bold, tangy, and smoky flavors. It's the kind of meal that keeps you full and energized, without weighing you down. Best of all, you can whip this up in under 10 minutes, even on your busiest days. It's meal prep made simple, with no fancy equipment or complicated steps. That's how you do it. Chili lime chickpea smash cups. Quick, healthy, and beautiful. Give them a try and see how easy it is to eat well, even on your busiest days. Next up we have the Sesame Ginger Egg Ribbon Bowl, a warm, comforting meal that's both light and incredibly fast to prepare, making it perfect for busy weeknights or a nourishing lunch break. This dish is inspired by classic Asian flavors, but with a simple, modern twist that fits right into your hectic schedule. Start by cracking 2 or 3 eggs into a bowl. Add a splash of water and a pinch of salt, then whisk vigorously until the mixture is smooth and slightly frothy. The water helps create a delicate, tender texture in the finished egg ribbons, while the salt brings out the natural flavor of the eggs. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat and brush it lightly with fragrant sesame oil. Pour in the egg mixture, swirling the pan to coat the bottom evenly and create a thin, delicate crepe. Let it cook for about 30 seconds, just until set and barely golden on the bottom. Don't overcook, as you want the eggs to stay soft and silky. While the egg crepe cooks, prepare the broth. In a small saucepan, combine low-sodium vegetable or chicken broth with a splash of soy sauce for umami depth, and grate in plenty of fresh ginger for a warming, aromatic kick. Add a drop of toasted sesame oil to enhance the nutty flavor. Let the broth simmer gently, allowing the flavors to meld and infuse. Once the egg crepe is cooked, transfer it to a cutting board. Roll it up gently, then slice it crosswise into thin ribbons. These delicate strips will float beautifully in the broth, adding both texture and visual appeal to your bowl. To assemble, ladle the steaming hot ginger broth into a serving bowl. Carefully add the egg ribbons, letting them unfurl and soak up the flavorful liquid. The heat of the broth will keep the eggs tender and warm. Finish your bowl with a generous sprinkle of sliced scallions for freshness, and a scattering of toasted sesame seeds for crunch and extra flavor. You can also add a dash of chili oil or a squeeze of lime for a little extra zing if you like. The result is a silky, protein-rich and soothing bowl that's ready in minutes. Perfect for when you need something nourishing, delicious and satisfying without spending hours in the kitchen. Time for a protein hit: spicy yogurt chicken skillet strips. Slice a chicken breast into thin strips for fast cooking. Toss with Greek yogurt, smoked paprika, cayenne, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and pepper. Sear in a hot skillet with a little oil, 2 to 3 minutes per side. The yogurt forms a crust, keeping the chicken juicy and spicy. Finish with a squeeze of lemon. Serve as is, over salad, or in a low-carb wrap. High protein, zero marinating, and ready in minutes. Zucchini pepper carbonara, rich, creamy, and SlimSync approved. Spiralize or peel a zucchini into noodles, salt, and let sit to draw out water. Crisp pancetta or prosciutto in a skillet, or smoked mushrooms for plant-based. Whisk 1 egg, 1 yolk, grated parmesan, and lots of black pepper. Sauté zucchini noodles briefly in the rendered fat. Remove pan from heat, toss noodles with egg cheese mixture and crispy pancetta. The residual heat creates a silky sauce, no cream needed. Plate, top, with more pepper and cheese. Indulgent taste, light and packed with veggies. Miso tahini mushroom flash sauté, deep umami in minutes. Wipe and thickly slice a mix of mushrooms. Whisk miso paste, tahini, warm water, soy sauce and lemon juice into a sauce. Sear mushrooms in a hot skillet with oil until browned. Add minced garlic, cook briefly. Lower heat, pour in miso tahini sauce. Toss to coat. Serve immediately, topped with sesame seeds and chives. Earthy, nutty, and rich. No sugar, just smart cooking. Plant-based and powerful. Crispy tofu pepper crumble wrap. Press extra firm tofu quickly. Crumble into a bowl. Toss with soy sauce, cornstarch, smoked paprika, garlic powder, and black pepper. Sear in a hot skillet until golden and crispy. Add diced bell pepper. Cook 1 minute for crunch. Spoon into lettuce leaves or a low-carb tortilla. Top with sriracha or spicy yogurt. Warm, crispy, and satisfying. Done fast. Lemon pepper shrimp plate. Elegant, light, and lightning fast. Pat raw shrimp dry. Toss with olive oil, black pepper, and salt. Sear in a hot skillet, 60-90 seconds per side. Add sliced garlic for the last minute. Remove from heat, squeeze lemon juice over hot shrimp. Toss with fresh parsley if you have it. Serve with arugula or as a side. Lean protein. Big flavor. Ready in minutes. Smoky paprika eggplant bites. Big flavor. Low calories. Cube eggplant. Toss with smoked paprika, garlic powder, cumin, salt, and pepper. Drizzle with olive oil, toss again. Sear in a hot skillet until charred and tender. Finish with lemon juice and fresh herbs. Creamy inside. Smoky outside. Perfect as a side or main. No Blender Green Power Bowl, your 5-minute nutrient-packed meal. Spoon cottage cheese or Greek yogurt into a bowl. Sprinkle with greens powder, add nut butter and seeds, chia, flax, or hemp. Stir until creamy and green. Top with berries or cinnamon. No chopping, no blending. Just scoop, sprinkle and stir. Protein, healthy fats, fiber and micronutrients, done. Warm cinnamon protein skillet. A sweet, healthy finish. Mix protein powder, egg and milk into a batter. Sauté diced apple with cinnamon in a skillet. Pour batter over apples, cook until set. Slide onto a plate, top with Greek yogurt or nuts. Warm, gooey and protein-packed. Dessert, reinvented. 10 delicious meals, all under 10 minutes. No more excuses. Flavorful, nutrient-dense dishes fit your busy life. Cooking for yourself is powerful. Simple techniques, quality ingredients, real results. From chickpea smash to cinnamon skillet, you're ready to stay energized and on track. This is the SlimSync way. Try these recipes, make them your own, and feel the difference. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more. Now, get to it.